Hi everyone, how are we? You're here with me, Alvin Mark, and this is my art channel. In this episode, we'll do a mixed bag. A bit of oil painting, watercoloring, and ink sketching, just like how many of you requested for this. We head to the Changi Sailing Club to make art. If Changi sounds familiar to you, that's because it's on the eastern side of Singapore where Changi International Airport is. Not too much activity going on in this morning as this is not quite the central area of the island. It's great to be right here by the beach again to sketch. You're definitely putting those cadmium orange to good use. I'm joined by none other than my classmate from Florence, Richard Walker. Always great to have a painting buddy around doing the same thing, giving critique and learning from. Good going for spotting that. We had to catch a cab once after our paint out, and the lady driver asked us if we had just finished cutting grass or pruning trees. Must have either been our huge haversacks, the way we dressed, or how we smell. We are drawn to different subjects even when we are at the same place. That's what I'm going to paint. What about you? Do share what you might decide to paint in the comment section down below. Let's do this, guys. Just barely into the sketch, I was interrupted by a man who runs Eco Arc. He was telling me that I should add that building of his into my sketch, which I eventually did. Alright, so I'm done with my oil sketch. Let's go be a busybody and check out Richard's work. But wait, this is going to be a neat ink sketch. So I ran back to grab my fountain pen and sketchbook to make this real-time sketch. So appreciators of real-time sketches, enjoy this one.
Not yet.
Okay, so there's a bit of time left. It was either to capture Richard's work up close or to do a watercolor practice sketch of the nearby breakwater. I decided to do the latter. There is only so much time when I'm out and about, and I have to make decisions on the fly of what to include in these videos. Would be great if I had unlimited time to record every single thing. But this would also mean that a longer editing time would lie ahead of me. Decisions. But thank you for keeping this channel in mind when you are YouTubing. Thank you for the follows, the hearts, the comments, and of course the encouragement. Time is up, gotta head back for the editing. If you remember, do share which scene you'd love to sketch. Alvin Mark here, making art here on YouTube. Until the next episode, stay well, stay safe, and be kind. Ciao ciao.